Run, run! What I'm gonna find here? Hey, aloha guys, and welcome to another episode of Hawaii 100 Highest Peaks. Today we are climbing through Kea'au, right on the west side, and I'm having Todd with me today. He's a great runner from California, but he lives now in Hawaii, so he wants to experience a little bit of scrambling, yeah?
Yeah, looking forward to it.
So we're gonna start with a nice scramble going up there on top of me. It's gonna be like a half a mile and 1200 feet of elevation gain to the Makaha flags. So what I really like about the WWII mountains compared to the Kea'au mountains, they are drier, and all these volcanic rocks, when they dry, they just made a nice scrambling playground for us. So it's pretty awesome, but comes with its own danger. Loose rocks every time, and always have to pay attention where you put your feet, where you hold on to. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, we made it up to Makaha flag. Todd, how was this climb? Really awesome, yeah?
Not too bad. To pave your own trail.
I don't know how I hold this camera. You're always falling out of it.
Oh, well, I'll stop moving.
Ah, that's okay. Yeah, so we just got 700, what do we got? 600 feet of elevation gain?
My watch doesn't record it.
Oh, okay. Wow, 600 feet of elevation gain in less than half a mile. And this is basically, I just call this place the Makaha flag. I'm not sure if it has another name. But from here we continue up to see some interesting pillboxes from World War II. So we made it up to this interesting machinery up here at 1200 feet, and we're trying to figure out what it can be. It looks like some kind of a pulley mechanism, no? What do you think?
Yeah, maybe some World War II era like thing to pull up who knows what up this mountain.
I've seen some of this in a smaller version in Stairway to Heaven area, but who knows? Interesting stuff. I'm gonna go into these bunkers we found. Shoot. Oh shit, what I'm gonna find here? Holy crap. You wanna come down? Check it out. Hey, that looks pretty cool. Look at that. You scared the shit out.
Run, run! Oh, look at that guy.
So there is two things you can see and hear on this ridge always: goats and franklin bird. They are always around. So actually last week I was here with a couple of friends and we were doing the whole traverse from Makaha to Makua. It's a super nice loop, but it was raining and we had slippery wet rocks, so it got pretty dangerous some parts. I'm just very happy today we have this beautiful sunny but windy day and the rocks are just awesome to climb. As you guys can see, today it's all about dry rocks. It's a nice technical hike, but no sketchy parts, nothing really dangerous. So it's a nice and calm day. Alright, so the flag is down again, as usual. Let's see if Todd can stand it up. Come on, man, come on!
The metal thing's like broken. Like, oh man. See? Like, look at this. You gotta get, I think the metal thing is like malformed.
Or it doesn't go in, eh?
Not really.
So we made it up here to Pu'ukea'au, which is around 2600 plus feet high, and the wind got really strong. We were trying to put back the flag to its place, but it is broken off, and with this heavy wind it was just impossible to put it back. So next time I may have to get some tools and put it back, hopefully. Okay, and now we're heading back to water tank ridge and we're gonna climb down. I left my drone bag in there, so hopefully it's still there and the goats didn't eat it. Okay, we made it back to water tank ridge and we're gonna head down there. Let's see. Doesn't look bad from here. So actually this ridge got the name obviously from a water tank which can be found in the bottom of this ridge. So somebody, I guess, just came up with the name and it's stuck to this ridge. And this is definitely not a trail, it's just you'll find your own way down. Okay guys, we made it down safely. It was pretty fun. How did you feel at this water tank ridge?
It was good. Steep scramble down.
Yeah.
Successfully captured the flags.
Okay, so yeah, we made it up, we made it down, we had a good day, and hopefully you got some good scrambling experience. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a mountain goat now.
Okay. Awesome. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, see you guys next time. Aloha.